Hello from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. This is the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Wednesday, May 19th. We got an active period of weather ahead of us here for the next few days with thunderstorms possible each day, at least throughout the weekend. And in the Central Mountains, we'll probably be seeing some light snow accumulations, and we'll be talking about that here in just a minute. But first, let's take a look at our current satellite image. Culprit of this active weather here is sitting here over Vancouver Island. It really hasn't moved much in the last 24 hours. A lot of these clouds are just kind of wrapping around that low right now, and that's going to start to drop into the Pacific Northwest and just kind of sit there for a few days, and that's going to give us some showers, some rain, and even some of that mountain snow I was telling you about. The weather impacts focused heavily on thunderstorms throughout the next several days, all the way through the weekend, and even some snow up in the mountains here in the Wood River, Sawtooth, and the Lemhi County areas. And a look at our weather map today. We do have a cold front that's just off to our east and south. There is a wave that kind of developed here over the Salt Lake area, so keeping our weather pretty active throughout the day today. This blue area is indicative of some mixed precipitation, which is a mixture of rain and snow, and that's kind of overlapping that this other area that's showing where we're seeing some thunderstorms, and we'll probably see some thunderstorms develop here over the eastern highlands and down towards the Bear Lake area. So as we head into tomorrow, that front really doesn't move all that much, and this area of mixed precipitation is expanded through most of Idaho, most of western Montana, and down here in the Snake River Plain, down southeastern Caribou Highlands. Probably seeing some rain, and once again, this is probably going to include some chances of thunder as well. As we head into Friday, still seeing some lingering rain and snow in the mountains. Probably also see some thunderstorms Friday as well, even though this front looks like it is starting to move off to the east a little bit further. But in the upper levels, we're still seeing a pretty good area of low pressure that's going to keep our weather active at least through the weekend. So taking a look at our rainfall amounts, a little bit less than what we posted yesterday. This is accumulations expected through Saturday, and seeing the heavier accumulations up here, Island Park area, and up in the Central Mountains. Not as much here in the Snake River Plain, less than 1/10 of an inch, and maybe even some areas really not getting as much, any much more than 0.01 inches. So we'll take a look at our snowfall amounts through Saturday. This is the same time frame as the precipitation that we just saw. Not much accumulation until you get up into about 8,000 or 9,000 feet in elevation, and those areas in the dark blue indicating 4 to 6 inches of snowfall that's accumulated through the 4-day period today through Saturday. And finally, we'll take a look at our forecast temperatures through the coming week. Today's going to be a warm day with temperatures getting up in the 70s, and take a look at tomorrow and Friday and Saturday. Just having a hard time getting up in the 60s in some areas. Overnight lows dropping into the 30s. Some areas, Island Park, may see temperatures close to freezing throughout the next few days going into the weekend, early next week. So cooler temperatures are ahead. And to recap, I just want to mention that we're going to have possible thunderstorms through each day through the weekend, and then also in the Central Mountains, that area of low pressure is going to bring some light snow accumulations here over the next few days. And that's going to conclude our briefing for today. If you have any questions, give us a call, hit up our website, email us, or hit us up on social media. And thanks for listening.